So we just got back to the house and we are going to
this looks like the world's most awesome boomerang.
Yesterday.
Wait, you told him about the surprise?
I told him a little bit about the surprise.
You told him a little bit about the surprise, okay.
That was the worst. There are holes in my car. Another update. Now I'm in Gulfport, Mississippi, and I'm okay because I got my Starbucks coffee. So, but I got 2 hours left of my drive today, and I'm stopping in Baton Rouge, Louisiana, and then tomorrow I've got a surprise lined up early in the morning. I'm going to get something, and the stars aligned, and get to get a little something for the car. So stoked beyond belief to get this thing. It's crazy that it popped up, and it's crazy that I'm driving straight through New Orleans. So I'm excited to go get it. Look at this little Genesis over here. Little Genesis boy, what's good? But yeah, crazy excited. I'm gonna continue this drive and we'll pick up tomorrow. I just passed a sign that says tunnel ahead. So we all know what that means. Such a freaking child. Well, it's day 2 of the trip. We are currently on our way from Baton Rouge to New Orleans. We're going to pick up the little surprise I told you guys about yesterday.
Wait, you told him about the surprise?
I told them a little bit about the surprise.
You told them a little bit about the surprise, okay.
They don't really know what it is. They just know that there's a surprise. It's unexpected. It popped up on Facebook in one of my Supra groups, and I saw the location, and I can't pass up on it. So we're on our way to get it. And I'll show you guys what it is once we get it. Alright guys, package is secured. It's in the back seat.
Spoilers.
Ooh, spoiler alert. I'm crazy excited to see this thing on the car. I did just list my ducktail for sale on Marketplace and like the Supra groups. If any of you guys are watching, you want to buy it, it's the OLM, it's sick. But yeah, we're super excited to get this thing installed and kind of get this look going. We're about to head back to Baton Rouge and hopefully get this install going on the spoiler. Shouldn't take too long. From what I've seen, it's pretty easy. It's a pretty simple install. I'm just worried. Actually, I'm worried about I think the hardest part is going to be getting the 3M tape off the other spoiler if any stays on the car. Like getting that like residue and stuff off. Good. So yeah, we'll use that. But other than that, it should be a fairly easy install. So we just got back to the house and we are going to
this looks like the world's most awesome boomerang right here.
Luckily just got it somehow. The Cybin MB for sale. I don't know how we caught it, but this awesome guy Jeff sold it to us down here in New Orleans. Got it. Got a crazy deal on it. It's brand new, and thinking the baby needs it. So we're getting rid of the duck bill. Gonna put on this new Big Wang. You know what I'm saying? Big Wang gang. You know? Big Wang gang, right? Let's get this thing open. Big Wang gang. look at this fucking thing. Money. Oh, I'm so excited. Alright. I guess let's get this thing taped off and get ready.
Yep.
Alright, I'm probably not the best qualified person in the world to be drilling into my Supra, but let's do it.
If they allow you to handle missiles, I think you can allow yourself to drill into a car.
That was the worst. There are holes in my car, so hopefully they're the right holes. I guess we're gonna.
Even if they're not the right holes, they're gonna be the right holes.
Yeah, but didn't make the holes big enough. Gotta make them bigger. Did you see that?
No.
So we just did. If you guys can see it, we just put the all the foam liner on, the little foam pads on the holes. Dan got the other side. So we got same thing. So in theory, right, we should come over here, put the bolts in, and the spoiler should be installed. But after that, we're gonna clean it all up. It's all fingerprinty and dirty. All right.
That should be all it needs. Shallow squat.
That's it. Cash money. Look at this thing.
$1 bill, y'all.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Well, we just finished the install. Actually pretty easy. Me and Dan, I mean, we knew what we were doing, but a little nerve-wracking drilling, as you saw. And it's on. I think it looks good. I'm gonna have to leave it raw, at least for the drive to California. I don't know if I'll end up painting it or what. It is going to be raw carbon for a little bit.
Don't paint it, it looks too good.
Dan likes it raw. The raw carbon looks fucking good.
You know I like it raw.
Yeah, I rethought that. I rethought that. I mean, along with the carbon lip, like it does look good. Those wheels are still just cash money. Sheesh. But yeah, it does look good. I'm a fan. I wanted the big wang for a while. I know, like probably a week and a half ago you saw me upload the video installing the duckbill. I said it was gonna be permanent. I just didn't know it wasn't gonna be, I didn't know it was gonna be this fast, but it's gone. It's gone. Big wang gang. Big wang gang.
That's why you have me here.
It looks good from that angle. What? Test fit on the Civic?
You could almost make that work. You could almost make that work. You could almost make that work. Seriously though, you could almost make that work.
All right, you heard it. We're gonna make the duckbill fit his Civic, so. Alright guys, I'm sitting here editing tonight's video, and I realized I didn't film an ending for it. And me and Dan just cut the night there. We went and played games, and I had a good night. So that's going to be the end of tonight's episode. I know I took a little hiatus. I was moving to Los Angeles, obviously. Getting moved in, getting settled. I'm in my apartment right now. That'll come later on the channel. In the next episode, you're going to see me and Dan go to Dallas. We go meet our friend Skillet, and then afterwards I go on to New Mexico, and I go visit a friend Cody and his wife Julie, and we go hike in the mountains of New Mexico, and it was awesome. Got some really cool footage, made some really good memories, but I'll put all that in a later episode. So thank you guys for tuning in, thank you guys for watching. Like, subscribe, comment, everything helps. You guys have been amazing so far. Thank you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in the next one. All right.